All right, so today we're going to look at logging into your book account. This is where a lot of assignments or information for assignments can be found. First off, you need to go to my.mheducation.com/login. You can also connect through the connected.mcgraw-hill.com. So if you go to connected.mcgraw-hill.com, that's the site that I sent all of you to when you first logged in. And so I'm going to log in under one of your student accounts here. And just so you guys can see what you guys see when you log in. So here's our book, Sociology and You. A lot of our stuff will be put here, and you just need to go onto the site, log in, and it will show you what you have need of. So if you hit launch, it's going to take you to the book site. Okay, this is where all the things will be done. And as you can see, there's already some things over here. Assignments and projects are listed. But the big thing will be when you get into here, it'll tell you to go to a chapter and read certain things. If you go to, for instance, we'll go to chapter 1, and if you just hit go, it'll bring you up all the stuff for chapter 1. It has lesson 1, technology and features, lesson 2, feature, lesson 3, feature. So if I assign something and I say it's in lesson 1, chapter 1, lesson 1, you would have to just click on that chapter 1, go to lesson 1, and the stuff will be found in there. Down at the bottom here, you see there's 6 pages, and then this R. That R, all that is just review, okay? And we will not have really anything to do in that review setting. But if you go to any of these sites through here, this is the book just in electronic form. So this is where we will be doing a lot of our work throughout the week at, okay? And so I will tell you to go through here, go to chapter 1, and you can click over here if we get to chapter 3, culture. You need to go to lesson 1 or lesson 2. You're there, and you need to do the assignment. Now, one of our first assignments is in chapter 1, lesson 1, and it is a pursuit of happiness. Okay, and what that is a video, and you can find that over here. Okay, you see right there, if you hover over it, it'll tell you what each of these resources is. Okay, and one of our first things that you'll be doing is this pursuit of happiness video, looking at it and having an assignment with it. So you just click on that, go to here to where it says play,